Hi everybody. Today we just got a call from headquarters that we got a downed A-10 pilot, codenamed Stray Eagle. He's about 25 kilometers northeast of it. So we need to start the Huey up and go get him. First thing we want to do is close this door because of all the noise out there. There's 2 Cobra gunships that are going to escort us. Alright, let's go to our upper control panel. I want to disengage the low rotor RPM warning indicator. That's pretty a nuisance. You don't want to hear that, trust me. Turn on our digital altimeter switch. That goes up to 1,500 feet. Older Hueys don't have this. Turn on our anti-collision light. Go to our main gen power, turn that on, close the safety latch, go to our AC voltmeter switch and tune that to AC phase. And then we'll go to our DC voltmeter switch and put that on ESS bus. Turn on the battery switch, come down to our main control panel. Turn on our governor switch, automatic governor. Turn on the fuel pump. Turn on our force trim switch. Turn on our hydraulic control switch. Check our throttle on the collective. Reset it to 0. Now we're ready to start the Huey. This gas producer instrument, we will hold the starter switch in until we reach 40% of low rotor RPM, or gas turbine RPM. So let's start it up. %, release the starter. We're going to go through a 2-minute warm-up. After that time, we'll increase the throttle to 6,600 takeoff speed. Back up to our upper control panel. Set our AC voltmeter switch to AB, our DC voltmeter switch to main gen. Turn on our inverter spare switch on main, and our starter generator switch to standby gen. It is raining, so let's turn our wipers on. Set our digital altimeter to 100 feet. Then we'll set our high-low switch to 50 feet. Increase our RPM to 6,600. Reset our master caution switch. Set up our armament. We're only going to have door gunner 7.62 machine guns. We do have a wingman in another Huey that's got rocket launchers and miniguns. He's going to escort us also. Go down our intercom switch, set that to 3 so we can talk to our air traffic controller. Go to our FM radio stack, tune that to 4050. That's the frequency of our pilot. Turn on the homing position. You can hear that Morse code. We're going to turn that down a little bit. We're going to go to our ADF switch. We're going to tune that to 353. That'll give us our outer marker beacon on the way back. Frequencies in megacycles. Alright, you can see this thin dial is pointed towards the outer marker beacon. We're going to fly towards that so I can show you what it looks like. Let's try to get clearance from the air traffic controller. Alright, we got takeoff clearance. Turn that down a little bit. So now we're going to find direction. Well, the outer marker beacon, which is northeast, you can see the arrow pointing that way. This instrument will guide us towards our pilot. When this is centered, we'll be in direct line to pick up that pilot. So let's take off. Fire guards on the right, fire guards on the left. We're clear. Nothing above us, so let's take off. Cruising speed for this helicopter is about 120 knots. Anything over that puts a lot of stress on the helicopter. Fuel consumption is about 70 to 80 gallons per hour. Horsepower is anywhere from 1100 to 1400 depending on the engine. right over the chin bubble. You'll see the outer marker beacon. That's going to guide us back to our base on the way back. You can see the thin arrow following the signal of that beacon. It's now 180 degrees behind us. Straight ahead is our outer marker beacon, which means we're getting close to our base. If you watch the thin arrow, it'll turn 180 degrees as we pass over it. see over the chin bubble, the strobe lights. That's our landing zone. Good landing, Captain. All right, let's go to the officers club and get a few beers. We deserve it.